Morning friends, today we are simulating the EIGRP protocol. EIGRP stands for Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol, which is routing protocol which is developed by the Cisco. So configuration of that protocol with the use of packet tracer. So we are taking the different router for connecting the different networks. So in my scenario, we are taking the 3 routers and we are taking the 2 PCs. Then we are first connecting the PC with the routers. So we are taking the straight through cable to connect the PC with the routers. So first port of the PC, that is the first Ethernet port 0, is connected to the Gigabit Ethernet port of the routers. Similar in the right side, we are again connecting the first Ethernet port of the PC with the Gigabit Ethernet port of the routers. Now we are first adding the serial port in the routers. As we know, in the router we do not having the serial ports. So first we insert the serial port. First we click on the HYSC2T, then switch off the power, then drag the ports, then power on the switch. Then we are finding that the ports are added and the router is rebooting. Now we are finding that in the first router there are 2 ports are added. Similar, we will add that ports in the second routers. Power of the switch, HYSC2T, drag the ports, power on the switch. Again we are start seeing that router is rebooting and it insert the 2 ports in the router also. Similar in the third routers. First we click on the HYSC2T, power off, then drag the ports, then the power on the ports. So these are the method how we are inserting the ports in the routers. Now we connect the ports with the serial cable. So here we are connecting the 030 port of the first router with the 030 port of the second routers. Again we are connecting the first router 031 port of the this router with the 031 port of this routers. Then we are assuming that this network is 192.168.10. The next network is 192.168.11.0. This network is 192.168.12.0 and our left network is 192.168.9.0. Now first we configure the PC. So we click on the PC, go from the desktop, we go from the IP configurations. So here we have the network is 9.0. So we are giving the IP address to this PC 192.168.9.2. Subnet mask for the class is 255.255.255.0, and we are assuming the first address is given to the gateway. So we are giving here the 9.1. Our DNS is again 9.1. So we configured our PC. Now we click on the routers. First we configure the gateway address, that is Gigabit Ethernet ports. Here our address is 192.168.9.1, subnet mask for class C, then on the ports. See the way how we are configure the first PC as well as we will connect it to the routers. In the right side, our network address is 192.168.12.0. Now first we configure the PC. Desktop IP configuration 192.168. We are given the IP address 12.2 to PC. Subnet mask for the class C, and we are assuming that first address is given to the gateway. So here we are giving the IP address for the gateway is 12.1. Similar DNS address is also 12.1. Now we configure the router, gateway address to the router. We click on the router, we go on the Giga Ethernet 00. Now we give the IP address 192.168.12.1, subnet mask for class C, and active the ports. So here we are finding that our left part and the right part are both are configured. Now we will configure the serial port of the routers. We click on the routers. Now the first port is 030. The network address is 10.0. So we are configuring the 192.168.10.1 address to this port, and the subnet mask for the class C and the on the port. Similar, we are configuring the 033 port, which is connected to the this link. So our address is 192.168.10.2, subnet mask for the class C, then the on the ports. And this again show the green, it means these ports are configured and the active. So here we are giving our network address is 11.0. So here this port we give the address 11.1, and this port we give the address 11.2. We click on the routers, we go for the port 031. Now we can give the IP address to this port 192.168.11.1, subnet mask for the class C, and the on the ports. Similar for this port, we are giving the address 192.168.11.2, subnet mask for the class C, and the on the ports. So here I think we are see that our network is properly configured. All the ports are given the address. Now we configure the EIGRP protocol in this for this networks. So we click on the routers, we come on the CLI mode, use the command exit because we want to enter the So first command we give the here enable, then we give the command config t, configuration terminal, and router, EIGRP, and the number of argument to the autonomous system. We give the number 1. Then we are giving the address, which are the network address that are connected to the router 1. So network address that are connected to the router 1 is 192.168.9.0 and the 10.0. So we give the command network 192.168.9.0, then enter. Similar, we give the command, the second enable is 10.0. Then we come on the config and save the setting. The way how we are configuring the EIGRP protocol in the first router. Similar steps we follow in the configuration of the second routers. So the neighbor of the second router is the 10.0 and the 11.0. So click on this router, come on the CLI mode, exit, then we give the command, first command, that is enable, and config t, then a router, EIGRP, then the autonomous system we assume 1, then the network address, network 192.168.10.0, that is the first neighbor. Then we enter the network 192.168.11.0. Then we go on the configuration, then we press the save. Now we are configuring the third router, in which we have the two neighbor networks 11.0 as well as the 12.0. So we click on the routers, we go on the CLI mode. We press the first command, enable, then config T, then a router, EIGRP, autonomous system we are assuming here is 1, router, EIGRP 1, then network. The neighbor network is for the router 3 is 11.0 and the 12.0. So we are giving the address network 192.168.12.0 network. Second address is 11.0. Then we go in the config mode. Then we press the save button. This is the way how we are configure the EIGRP protocol in this networks. So we ping the first PC to the second PC. We click on the PC1. We go on the command prompt. We give the command ping 192.168.12.2. Packet is dropped, then we are finding that we are getting the reply. So it means we have configured the EIGRP protocol in our scenario, network scenario. So similarly, we can see the simulator view, how the packet are exchanged between the PC as well as the routers. So this is only the simulation part, which will show the graphically what we study theoretically. The router will exchange the packets with the other routers and the PC with the router and the so on. Thank you for watching this video.